for the set 1, 2, 3, so on till n and each of its non-empty subsets, alternating sum is defined as follows. Arrange the set or subset in decreasing manner and add and subtract the alternate successive elements. The alternating sum for 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1 is 11 minus 9 plus 7 minus 5 plus 3 minus 1. Find the sum of all such alternating sums for n equal to 4. Let's get started. Let's first understand the question. They gave n equal to 4. It means the set we have is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find all the alternating sums for this set and its subsets. The sum of all such alternating sums is what we need. Before solving this problem, let's solve an easier version of it. And that is to find all the subsets of a given set. Let us take S equal to 1, 2. Now, for a set containing n elements, the number of subsets is given by 2 power n. Now, as the set has only 2 elements, the total number of subsets we have is 2 square, that is 4. And these are null set, set of 1, set of 2 and set of 1 and 2. Now, the trickiest thing that we have to observe here to solve the bigger version of this problem is that when we want to find the number of subsets of 1, 2, 3, we can use the subsets that we have already found for 1, 2. That is, all those subsets are subsets here as well, and moreover, if we add 3 to all those subsets, those are also subsets for this set. And the most important thing is that there is no other subset other than the ones discussed above. You have 2 square subsets above and 2 square subsets below. Together they form 2 cube subsets. Now we are going to use the similar ideology to solve this problem. Let us denote Sn as the sum of all such alternating sums for a set of n elements. So if we have to find Sn plus 1, we will surely have to compute Sn, because all the subsets of n elements are also subsets of n plus 1 elements, and the rest of the alternating sums comes from the subsets that contains the n plus 1th element. And let's find what this extra sum is. Before doing it, let's try finding the alternating sum for the set 3, 2, 1. Let's denote this alternating sum with Pn. Now, if I add one more element, say 4, to this set, then the alternating sum for the new set becomes 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now, if we take a minus 1 common after 4, we get Pn inside. This clearly demonstrates that we can use the same alternating sums that we calculated while calculating Sn to find this extra sum. Now, as we have 2 power n subsets containing the n plus 1th element, we will be adding the n plus 1th element 2 power n times, and in each of the case we get some pi which we already computed during computation of Sn. Now the summation of all these pi's equal to Sn. So this extra sum equals 2 power n into n plus 1 minus Sn. So our final expression for Sn plus 1 equals Sn plus 2 power n into n plus 1 minus Sn. Therefore, substituting n equal to 3, we get S4 equals 8 into 4, and that's 32. Thank you.